I was running, trying to get my phone, and he flew away and came back. I've never seen a bird like this before, ever. And he's munching away on my little dwarf sunflowers. Look at how pretty. I mean, that stem is not that strong, and he is. Look on the sunflowers. Look at that yellow and black bird on the sunflower right there. You see it?
Yeah. He's so tiny.
He's very tiny. Like, I am way surprised that the flowers taking that weight.
Those are sunflowers?
Yeah, they're dwarf sunflowers, or little bitty sunflowers. They're not going to get too big. And it was way past time to plant them. So I just, you know, put this weed barrier down yesterday. And it took me forever. And I'm not done with the space, but at least I got the fabric down and was able to plant some things. And
why did you not give me?
Look, wait just a second. Look at that. He's so cute. He is cute. We said it at the same time. Look at there. Incredible. I mean, it's almost like one of, you know, a bird that you would expect to be a pet of someone, you know, like someone's pet.
Yeah.
Because it's so pretty, and it's like, I don't.
Actually, it's,
look at that guy. What's he up to?
3.
What is he up to?
I hate them.
I know.
Because they dig up our garden.
I know, they dig it up all the time. They sure do.
You lying squirrels.
Look
I wish squirrels never exist.
Well, they're here for a reason. I'm not sure why, but they're here.
Probably because of the acorns.
Yeah, maybe. Take care of the acorns.
No, they eat them.
What type of bird is that? We have to do some research to see what type of bird that is.
Because it's white too, right? See the white?
I do see the white. Oh, it's a gorgeous bird. Let me see if I can.
It's so cute. I want to incredibly fly through the window. What?
Nothing. I'm just trying to get a different angle here. A clearer picture. I was looking through the screen.
Like bird seeds. Birds like seeds.
Well, is that why he's eating or nipping at the sunflower? What do you think?
Yeah. Because sunflowers have sunflower seeds.
Look at
Mom,
him.
why did you not give me a plate? Why did you not give me a plate?
1 second, babe. Told you I was running trying to get the camera like we could see this little guy. It's incredible to me that he's balancing like that. Look at, did you see how he got off of there?
He's so cute.
Don't eat that, little dude.
Don't eat that.
Don't eat that, little dude. That's not seed. That's perlite.
No.
Don't eat that, little dude.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it, little dude. Oh, there he goes. Oh, look.
He just pooped.
He came closer.
He just pooped.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. Well, that was a treat.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, that was a treat, wasn't it?
He just pooped.
I wonder if he'll come back.
Yeah.
The hostas are starting to bloom. And I'm not a fan of hostas, but the bees love them. Yeah. Okay, it's a quite rainy, it's a really rainy day. That's okay, though, because we needed the rain.
And that's flooded kind of.
Yeah, just a little bit. But okay, I just wanted to share that little birdie.
Look how
So
I
cool to
walk
see nature.
sometimes. I walk silly like this.
Yeah, yeah. So thank y'all so much for watching.